Hello art beaters, Becky here with a new video and I hope you enjoy. If you want to keep up to date on all things art beads, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel right now. Enjoy! Hello art beaters, welcome to the video. We have so many beautiful things to look at today. I'm so excited to dive into all of the pretty stuff that we have. I'm Becky with artbeads.com if you're new here, and we go live every Thursday at 10 a.m. Pacific time to share awesome new things that have just launched on our website, artbeads.com, jewelry inspiration, because we have tons of jewelry inspiration from our design studio, and all of our jewelry inspiration comes with free instructions and a supplies list on our website, so you can make those pieces for yourselves too. And we have just got so many pretty things to look at today, so I'm super excited to dive in. And the sun is shining, spring is here, so it's just a great day. So Mother's Day is coming, so I've got some Mother's Day inspiration for you, some jewelry designs that you might want to make for your mom or for yourself if you're a mom, or a mom that you know and love. You can make these for anyone to say, thanks, Mom. So I've got some ideas here for you today. I'll start with this one. We've got these wonderful seed bead bracelets, super easy to make. And what's great about these is they have a hidden Morse code seed bead message. So the way that these seed bead patterns work, they spell out a little Morse code message. So you could write mom, you could write mom's kids' names in Morse code, and they're just like a little secret message in your jewelry. And we do have a little Morse code alphabet chart on our website that you can get to with the instructions for these bracelets. I've got links in the video description, so you can learn how to make these and learn how to spell out a Morse code message with seed beads. I think that's so clever, so really, really fun. I just love that idea. And they're just strung on griffin silk cord, and then a little crimp is used at the end to make kind of like a sliding clasp idea. So really cute. I love these, and I think that's such a great idea for Mother's Day. We've also got lots of birthstone ideas. This is a good one. It's got kind of a family tree pendant, and then all of these little dangles are birthstone colors that can kind of represent mom and her kids, and mom and all of her family members, whoever you want to include in that little birthstone tassel. So I think that's a fun little way to personalize your jewelry if you're making something for mom. Such a great idea. I love, love, love that. Here's another personalized idea for mom. This one is a family of tassels. So each tassel represents a family member. So you've got mom and her two kids here. Maybe mom's initial, mom's favorite colors, or birthstone colors you could use again. And I need to kind of flatten these. These have been sitting in a drawer for too long. They should be hanging, but super cute. You can make your own tassels with your favorite colors, mom's favorite colors, birthstone colors. Add that little initial. I did add links in the video description to our letter and initial beads and charms, because these are so great for Mother's Day jewelry. You can spell out mom, you can add initials of all the kids, you can spell out your mom's name. There's just all kinds of different things you can do with those letter and initial beads. Metal stamping is another great idea for making personalized jewelry, and that's very exciting. So this simple little necklace just features a block, and it has different initials of family members stamped into each surface of the block. And this one has a tree to represent the family tree. And you can add a tassel of your own colors, maybe a little charm that represents mom, something, anything you like, because this is a very easy idea to personalize with your initials, especially if you have those metal stamps. So fun. Love that. Here's another metal stamping idea. Again, and this one is highlighted so you can see the words even more, highlighted with black ink, black paint. So you could write a cute little phrase for mom. This one says, love you to the moon and back. You could, you know, spell out mom, put some more initials, whatever you want. Coordinates, I've seen like coordinates for where their kids are born. That's a cute idea. So super fun. The metal stamps are great for personalizing your jewelry, especially for Mother's Day. And I thought this idea was a good one. Again, I would love this with mom's initial here, or maybe an M for mom, or a little heart charm. You could definitely personalize this for your mom, but such a cute little bracelet to make for Mother's Day. And the way this is set up, you could really showcase any charm you like and pick any color that your mom loves for that leather. So super easy to make this bracelet design your own. And again, I've linked to all those letter and initial charms. This one is a super fun and easy one. This one you could definitely add your mom's initial, and then there's a cute little heart on there. And this is just a little herringbone weave, braided cord or macrame little bracelet that you can tie around your wrist. Again, pick the colors that your mom likes. Maybe birthstone colors would work kind of fun in that stripey pattern. All kinds of different ways to customize that one. And we do have this wonderful kit. I thought this was a great kit for Mother's Day. You might think of this as more of a holiday kit, but I also think this would be a cute little guardian angel kit. So you could give this to mom, make it, and give it to her and say, you're my guardian angel, or here's a guardian angel for you, mom. Or you could give her the kit for her to make herself if she is into jewelry making, and she could make it for herself. And this could also be a cute little, like, you know how people sometimes put like little charms on their rear view mirror on their car? That'd be a cute little dangle, a little guardian angel for your car. So this is a super cute kit. So it comes with everything you need to make this really cute little guardian angel pendant. Love it so, so much. Super cute idea for Mother's Day, I think. So definitely check out those angels. They're good for more than just Christmas and holidays. They'd be really good for Mother's Day as well. And then another bead that I think is really good for Mother's Day are our Swarovski BECHARMED beads. I think these beads are so beautiful and sparkly, and they just scream special occasion to me. So really beautiful. And we've got lots of really nice options in those BECHARMED beads. And we even have ones that say best mom on them. I've got a link to those in the video description that are going to be perfect for Mother's Day. So, so pretty. So I love the Swarovski BECHARMED beads for Mother's Day as well. As you can see, they look really cute in earring designs. You can easily, they have nice large holes so you can string them onto finished necklaces. Don't miss those BECHARMED beads. They're really special and make great gifts, and they're easy to work with in your jewelry designs. So we love those BECHARMED beads. And I wanted to talk about these. I think this is just a really classic look. Knotted pearls, knotted crystals. These are really long earrings, but you could totally turn this into a necklace idea, shorten them, just a really classic look for mom. So I just wanted to share those with you because I think they're really, really pretty. Love those. Make sure to leave comments. I will take a look and respond to as many as I can because I do love seeing your comments. Thank you guys. Bye.